guys, Trishy Fighter 727 here, and today MJ is gonna be opening a card pack. It's called the Hidden Fates set. So he's doing the card trick right now.
So if you want to get it, use this code.
Take the first 3 off, or is it 2? I think it's
4.
2. 4?
It's usually 4 or 3.
Okay,
2.
just do it. Psyduck, Clefairy. You did the card trick wrong, magic card. So, Shiny Soul Valley GX. Oh! What is that called?
Tag team.
Oh, your chickens have been out and about all day.
I know. Moltres and Zapdos and Articuno. Wow.
I still have more. Psychic.
Misty, Nurse Joy, Metapod, Charmander, and Slowpoke. So we did not take any cards or put any in. Okay, so look.
I don't even have any of these. Well, any of
2019 card, hang on. And this 2019 card. It's shiny. Shiny Soul Valley GX card. Wow. Guys, I hope you like this video, and bye.